Welcome back. For creating our first design, we would be creating this jack-o'-lantern right here, step by step. So let's jump right into it, and let's create a new file. Get rid of this. Right. So first, we will need to add in the UV sphere, since that kind of has the shape we want. And then we can move into these modes. Time to introduce you to these modes. These object, edit, sculpt mode. We will be using these three to achieve this challenge. So first, let's move to edit mode. Of course, you could quickly move into edit mode by just hitting your tab on your keyboard, and you have edit mode. So there's a lot of options here. For now, let's move on with what we need. For now, let's just select the intervals over here. And we would need to select the edges, not the vertices. So we move to edge select. If you need to select the face, we could use this face select, but we need an edge, so edge select. Right now we can hit Alt and select to get select the whole loop around it, and not just like one edge right here. So a loop, and then we can keep selecting. Hold down Shift and Alt to multi select. And remember to keep the intervals right here. I think I missed a few, but no, nothing to worry about. I missed a few, but we can compromise with this. What you need to do is to scale this out. So hit S and then just drag this out. Right here, you can see it's shaping up. Right. Then let's go back to object mode. Hit tab to go back to object mode, and then we are going to use our subdivision surface modifier to smoothing things out. We can increase it just a little bit for extra smoothness, not too much. This seems okay, and then we can apply. Okay, let's just move it up to 3. 2 seems okay. Apply. Now let's scale in the Z-axis. So S and then hit Z. Just scale in the Z-axis to give it that sort of compounded shape right here. Right. So next we need to cut out the faces. So the next thing to do here is obviously to cut out the eyes and then the mouth. So to do this, we would need a more projected view. So you have to click. You can just tap on your keyboard, the tilt key that's right above your tab key, and then move on to front view. Alternatively, you could just hit 7 on your mouse on your numpad, and that gives you the same effect. Right on. So with this will be easier to cut out shape. So back to edit mode, and then this is a better way to select in bulk. So that simply just hit C on the keyboard, and then we can just get this to select. Of course, you can just use 2 fingers to swipe on the mouse pad to increase or decrease it. So you can just roughly make the eyes. And then for the mouth, we can just do something random. This may not look so good. And what we need to do is to just hit delete and then delete faces, and we can see jack-o'-lantern is starting to shape up. Right on. But you see the problem we have here is this is too flat thickness wise, so you will need a solidify modifier to add in some thickness. This is enough. Let's apply, and we will need the bevel to smoothen out the edges, so you can see, and just increase it. And yeah, of course you could also increase the segments to help make it look way better. You can actually see smoothing things out, and then just apply. Right on. Let's zoom out. So to crown this session, we will be adding a few colors to our objects. So right on, come to materials. Don't forget to switch to rendered mode to see the applied colors. Let's give it a brown. We can decrease this to make it give it more darker color. And finally, we can add in our plane. Let's position it in the right place. So this gives us the base form of our design. In the next session, we will be stepping into sculpt mode to give it a more realistic look, and then we can also include our license to give it a more jack-o'-lantern look.